The steering wheel tilt can be adjusted to an angle that best suits your driving position. This further helps in ensuring the most convenient driving position for the driver. The Ariya's ample outer rear-view mirrors are both electrically adjustable and foldable. Thus, the driver can operate and adjust both the mirrors without ever having to lower the window glass. The power windows in Ariya can be brought down by a single flick of the switch, unlike many other cars where the switch has to be held down. While the Ariya is equipped with many premium state-of-the-art features to ensure the occupant's comfort and safety, it also sports many finer touches that takes comfort to another level. The sun visors are provided with extenders to help block the afternoon sun. The co-driver's sun visor has a vanity mirror with an inbuilt light that switches on automatically. The Ariya's glove box does away with the old perception of glove boxes as the hiding places for papers and sundry items. The glove box in Ariya is fitted with a chiller which keeps your beverages and chocolates cool. A light has also been provided in the glove box which lights up automatically as soon as it is opened. To make sure you step down safely, every Ariya is equipped with a puddle lamp at the bottom of the doors. This lamp illuminates the ground below as you open the door in the dark, thus preventing you from accidentally stepping into a puddle. The Ariya assists you in locating your way as well as locating the car in the dark. Even when the car is locked, the headlights can be put on from the outside with the approach light switch on the remote key, and it stays on for 60 seconds. This can help you in locating your way after parking in a dark spot. It can also help you locate the car in a big parking lot at night. The Ariya's bonnet is equipped with hydraulic balancers which automatically lift the bonnet once the lock is released. During rains, whenever the reverse gear is engaged, the rear wipers start automatically provided the front windshield wipers are on. The light provided in the luggage compartment ensures that you don't have to grope in the dark. The Ariya is equipped with separate 12-volt power outlets for all 3 rows, ensuring that you can conveniently charge your cell phone wherever you are seated. The Ariya provides one of the most spacious interiors in its class of vehicles. Even with 3 rows of seats, there is ample luggage space at the rear. The flexible seating further ensures that you make maximum use of the yards of space provided inside. The second row has a 60-40 split, and the seats can be independently flat folded or tumbled. They can also be slid back and forth to create extra leg space for third row occupants. The third row can also be flat folded along with the second row to provide a long flat bed. The split fold facility in the second row, when used with the folded third row, can be used to store longer items such as bicycles or kayaks. The generous proportions and stylishly designed interiors create an exclusive ambience in Ariya. The unique roof utility bins feature offer a lot of storage place for each occupant to keep your CDs, planners, glasses, digicams, binoculars, maps, novels, etc. The Ariya lives up to its billing as a home on wheels by providing you enough places to stow away sundry items and eatables. There are cup holders in the front and second row consoles, and magazine and bottle holders at the door trims. There are 2 glove boxes, one of which is provided with a lock to keep your valuables secure.